Chrisley Knows Best fans have been impatiently waiting for Todd and Julie Chrisley's mugshots to make rounds on the internet. Presently, a search for Todd Chrisley's mugshot or Julie Chrisley's mugshot only yields a mugshot of Todd's oldest son Kyle, photoshopped mugshots, and mugshots of unrelated individuals. It goes without saying that mugshots of Todd and Julie were taken after they surrendered to their respective prisons. So, why can't fans find these mugshots on the internet? Turns out there is a very simple reason why. On Reddit, Chrisley Knows Best fans have been searching all over the internet for a leaked mugshot of Todd Chrisley and Slash or Julie Chrisley. Unfortunately, they just hadn't been able to find them. Fans, however, did discover a reason why they can't find mugshots of these reality TV stars. According to a thread on Reddit, the Bureau of Prisons OIA office has pretty strict policies when it comes to mugshots. The policy declares the following. For privacy, safety, and security reasons, this office and Bureau of Prisons BOP FOIA office does not release mugshots or BOP inmates' intake photographs with the exception of inmates that are actively on escape status. Unfortunately, this means that unless Todd and Julie decide to attempt a prison break, fans of the reality TV couple may have to deal with never being able to see their intake photographs. Their mugshots could get leaked, though. Bravo star Teresa Giudice is often a topic of conversation when discussing the Chrisleys because she's another reality TV star that did time behind bars for committing fraud. The difference between Teresa Giudice and the Chrisleys is that she and her ex-husband plead guilty and served far less time for their crimes. Now, the reason Teresa Giudice has recently come up as a topic of conversation is because her mugshot did make rounds on the internet when she was behind bars. According to chatter on Reddit, someone who worked at the prison where Teresa Giudice was locked up reportedly leaked her mugshot photos. Now, this scenario could happen again if someone who works where Todd and Julie are locked up is willing to risk their job to leak a mugshot photo. Presently, fans on Reddit admit they are just waiting for some photos of Todd and Julie Chrisley behind to leak somewhere. Fans assume it is only a matter of time before a photo eventually leaks. Did you know Todd and Julie Chrisley's mugshots were protected? Do you think they might leak? Let us know in the comments down below. And keep coming back for more on this reality TV family. The world of celebrities often shines with the glamour of fame and fortune, but behind the scenes, there can be intriguing legal battles that capture public attention. One such case is that of Todd and Julie Chrisley, reality television stars known for their show, Chrisley Knows Best. Recently, it was revealed that their mugshots wouldn't be released to the public. In this 1,000-word exploration, we will delve into the reasons behind this decision, the legal intricacies surrounding it, and the broader implications it holds for the privacy of public figures. Todd and Julie Chrisley, the backstory. Before we dive into the legal intricacies surrounding the non-release of Todd and Julie Chrisley's mugshots, let's first familiarize ourselves with the Chrisleys and the events that led to their arrest. Todd and Julie Chrisley became household names through their reality TV show, which followed their affluent lifestyle, quirky family dynamics, and humorous situations. Their larger-than-life personalities charmed viewers for years, but in 2019, their world took a sudden and unexpected turn. In August 2019, Todd and Julie Chrisley were indicted on federal charges related to tax evasion and fraud. The allegations were that they had deliberately avoided paying federal taxes on millions of dollars in income, creating offshore accounts, and submitting false documents to the IRS. The indictment sent shockwaves through the world of reality television, leaving fans and critics alike perplexed and curious about the legal proceedings. The controversy surrounding mugshots. When celebrities are arrested, one of the first pieces of information that the public and media eagerly seek is their mugshots. Mugshots are typically considered public records and are readily available, allowing for transparency and accountability in the legal system. They are often published in newspapers and shared widely on the internet, adding an element of intrigue to celebrity arrests. However, in the case of Todd and Julie Chrisley, their mugshots have not been released, prompting questions and controversy. Legal loopholes and Chrisley's mugshots can be attributed to legal loopholes and privacy rights. In the United States, the Freedom of Information Act, FOIA, allows the public access to a wide range of government records, including mugshots. However, some states have enacted laws that limit the release of certain records, especially those related to ongoing investigations. The Chrisleys' legal case was ongoing, which provided a legal basis for withholding their mugshots. The intent behind this is to protect the integrity of the investigation and ensure that the accused receive a fair trial without undue prejudice. The state of Georgia, where the Chrisleys' legal troubles were unfolding, is one such state that has such laws in place. In Georgia, law enforcement agencies can refuse to release booking photos or mugshots when an arrest is part of an ongoing investigation, and when releasing such images could hinder the investigation or the prosecution of the case. This legal provision allowed the Chrisleys to maintain a level of privacy during their legal proceedings. The Chrisleys' legal strategy. While the laws of Georgia certainly played a role in keeping the mugshots under wraps, it's also worth noting that the Chrisleys' legal strategy likely contributed to this decision. Their legal team could have argued that releasing the mugshots would lead to undue prejudice and negatively impact their chances of receiving a fair trial. In high-profile cases, public opinion can sway potential jurors, making it more challenging to select an impartial jury. Furthermore, the Chrisleys may have asserted that releasing their mugshots would be an invasion of their privacy and could cause them irreparable harm, both personally and professionally. Given their status as reality TV stars, they may have had a valid concern that the release of their arrest photos could damage their reputation and future career prospects. Media attention and public speculation. The decision to withhold the mugshots of Todd and Julie Chrisley sparked intense media attention and public speculation. Many questioned whether the decision was a special treatment for celebrities, while others wondered if it was an abuse of power. Critics argued that the Chrisleys should not be shielded from the same level of scrutiny and transparency that regular citizens would face in similar legal situations. Conversely, supporters of the Chrisleys pointed to the laws and legal strategies that justified the decision, asserting that it was a matter of upholding their rights to a fair trial and protecting their privacy. They argued that the couple should be treated no differently from anyone else in a similar legal situation. Implications for public figures. The Chrisley case highlights the ongoing debate over the privacy rights of public figures, particularly those who have already experienced a significant level of public scrutiny due to their celebrity status. The question of whether celebrities should be granted the same level of privacy as everyday citizens when facing legal troubles is a complex one. On one hand, public figures, just like anyone else, have the right to a fair trial and the protection of their personal privacy. Excessive media coverage and public opinion can potentially influence the outcome of a case and undermine the principles of justice. On the other hand, the public has a legitimate interest in transparency and accountability, especially when it comes to individuals who have enjoyed fame and fortune. Releasing mugshots can provide a sense of transparency and equality, ensuring that no one is above the law. Conclusion. The decision to withhold Todd and Julie Chrisley's mugshots ultimately boils down to a complex interplay of legal loopholes, privacy rights, and media attention. While some argue that it's a matter of protecting the accused's rights, others see it as a way to shield celebrities from the consequences of their actions. The case of the Chrisleys serves as a fascinating case study in the ongoing debate over the privacy rights of public figures facing legal troubles. As society continues to grapple with these issues, the balance between transparency and personal privacy remains a subject of intense discussion and contention.